Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we explore the fascinating world of technology. In today's video, we'll be talking about ROS, Robot Operating System. We will delve into what ROS is, how it is used, and where it finds its applications. So, let's get started. What is ROS? ROS, short for Robot Operating System, is an open-source framework that provides tools and libraries to help software developers build robotic applications. Despite its name, ROS is not a traditional operating system but rather a collection of software packages that run on a computer or embedded device. It provides a robust set of communication, visualization, and control tools that aid in the development and coordination of complex robot systems. How is ROS used? ROS is used extensively in the field of robotics for research, prototyping, and production purposes. It provides a flexible architecture that allows developers to create modular and reusable components, making it easier to build and deploy robotic systems. ROS enables developers to write software modules, called nodes, that can communicate with each other using a publish-subscribe messaging mechanism. This allows for seamless integration of various software components, sensors, and actuators, making it easier to develop complex robotic applications. Where is ROS used? ROS finds its applications in a wide variety of fields, including but not limited to research. ROS is popular among researchers as it provides a common framework that enables sharing and collaboration. It is used for exploring various robotics topics such as perception, navigation, manipulation, and human-robot interaction. Industrial automation. ROS is employed in industrial settings to control and coordinate robotic systems used in manufacturing, logistics, and assembly line operations. Healthcare. ROS is utilized in healthcare for applications such as robotic surgery, telemedicine, and rehabilitation robotics. Agriculture. The use of ROS in agriculture allows for the development of autonomous robots that can aid in tasks such as precision farming, crop monitoring, and automated harvesting. Conclusion. That brings us to the end of our video on ROS, Robot Operating System. We've covered what ROS is, how it is used, and where it finds applications in different industries. ROS has revolutionized the field of robotics, empowering developers to create sophisticated and advanced robotic systems. We hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the ever-evolving world of technology. Thank you for watching.